how to sign in to Amazon Prime Video account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to open up your browser that you use. After that, in the search bar, you have to click and search for Prime Video account. After searching for it, you'll be able to see this interface. So in the third paragraph, you can see amazon.com sign up for Prime Video. So you have to go through this. So here in the left hand side there is a Prime Video member or sign in option, and there is also another option which is start your free trial. So if you are already a member of Prime Video, then you can simply click on this first option, and from over there you can enter your personal details and you'll be signed into the Prime Video. Or if you want to start your free trial as a new member, then you can go to the second option, and from over there you can start your free trial for a few days or a few months, and after that you can create your account, and by following this simple step you can sign into Amazon Prime Video account. So hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.